I just got done changing the fuel filter on this 2010 Audi Q7 with the 3.0 TDI diesel engine, and had a couple comments for people who may have questions. The canister fuel filter resides under this housing. There are 5 T30 screws you'll need to remove. This here is often questioned as being another filter, a secondary filter. It is not. It is an Audi fuel pump, and I'll have the part number for it in the description so you can confirm that yourself. I spoke with representatives at Audi University Place in Seattle and confirmed that that is not something you need to replace. The fuel filter here is the only thing you need to worry about. When you screw it back on, I recommend leaving this screw off until you have finished torquing these 4 screws. That lets any air and fuel bleed out. You can mop it up here. You'll be able to pry this back. You do not need to disconnect any of these lines. There's 3 gaskets you'll need to replace. There's one that goes around. There's one that kind of fits in this area. And there's one metal washer under this screw here. I hope that helps anyone that has questions. Have a nice day.